Remember the days when browser games like those on SpeelyAF.day brought endless fun with friends? These simple, free games were a staple of childhood entertainment before smartphones took over. You could play solo or share a keyboard for multiplayer action, making every session memorable. Today, the spirit of those games lives on, but now, thanks to advances in AI and technology, anyone can create their own browser game even without technical skills. In this video, we'll explore how you can build, deploy, and share your very own online game, bringing back that classic fun with a modern twist. Let's dive into the journey from nostalgia to creation. Fast forward more than 15 years, and the landscape of game development has changed dramatically. What once required specialized knowledge and tools is now accessible to everyone, thanks to artificial intelligence. With just a few prompts, you can build and deploy simple browser games in minutes. This democratization of game creation means you no longer need to be a programmer to bring your ideas to life. In this guide, we'll show you step-by-step how to harness AI to create your own online game, making the process approachable and fun for all skill levels. One of the most exciting aspects of modern AI tools is that you don't need any coding experience to get started. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone with a creative idea, you can build a game from scratch without writing a single line of code. This guide is designed specifically for non-technical people, breaking down each step so you can follow along easily. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a game creator, regardless of your background. To kick off your game development adventure, we'll use Google Gemini. While there are several AI platforms available, Gemini stands out for its generous free plan and user-friendly interface. You don't need any prior programming experience, making it perfect for beginners. If you ever want to explore more advanced options, tools like Claude Code, Google Gravity, or Codex are available. But for now, let's stick with Gemini and focus on building a classic game together. For this tutorial, we'll create an Arkanoid-style game, a timeless arcade classic, where you control a paddle to bounce a ball and break blocks. The goal is to clear all blocks without letting the ball fall. But don't feel limited. You can use the same process to build other favorites like Pac-Man, Space Invaders, Frogger, or Dig Dug. The possibilities are endless, and your creativity is the only limit. The first step in building your game is crafting a clear prompt for the AI. For our Arkanoid game, we'll specify features like one-player and two-player modes, keyboard controls, 5 levels with unique brick layouts, and a polished user interface. We'll also ask for glow effects, animations, sound effects, and responsive scaling. Don't forget to include power-ups and explanations for them in the pause menu. This detailed prompt sets the foundation for your game and ensures the AI understands your vision. Before generating your game, make sure to activate the canvas in your AI tool. This feature allows you to edit and test your game in real time, making the development process interactive and efficient. With Canvas enabled, you can see immediate results, tweak your game, and iterate quickly. This hands-on approach is perfect for beginners and helps you learn by doing. Once your prompt is ready and Canvas is activated, let the AI do its magic. The tool will process your instructions and generate the game code step by step. The initial version might not be perfect, but it's a solid starting point. You'll see your game come to life on the screen, complete with the features you requested. This is where the excitement begins, as your ideas turn into a playable reality. Don't worry if the first version isn't exactly what you imagined. AI models generate slightly different results each time, so you can adjust your prompt and try again. Experiment with new instructions to refine your game's look, feel, and mechanics. This iterative process lets you gradually shape your game, learning what works best and making improvements along the way. Each attempt brings you closer to your ideal game. Once you're happy with your game, it's time to save the code. Download the generated files and store them on your local computer. This step is crucial before moving on to deployment. Having your code saved locally ensures you have a backup and can make further edits if needed. It's a simple process that sets you up for the next phase, sharing your game with the world. Playing your game on your own computer is fun, but sharing it online is even better. Deployment used to be a complex task, but now it's almost as easy as installing an app. By deploying your game, you can invite friends and the world to play, test, and enjoy your creation. Let's walk through the steps to get your game online quickly and easily. Before deploying, you'll need to save your game code on GitHub, a popular platform for sharing and collaborating on software projects. GitHub helps you manage versions, track changes, and collaborate with others. It's like a shared folder with a complete history of every edit, making it easy to revert mistakes or work as a team. If you're new to GitHub, don't worry, we'll guide you through the basics. If you don't already have a GitHub account, now's the time to create one. The sign-up process is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll see a dashboard where you can manage your projects. GitHub might seem overwhelming at first, but with a little practice, it becomes an invaluable tool for any creator. Let's get you set up and ready to upload your game files. A GitHub repository is like an online project folder. To create one, click the green Create Repository button and fill in the project name, description, and visibility settings. Enable the readme.md file for documentation. This repository will store your game files, track changes, and serve as the foundation for deployment. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your project. With your repository created, it's time to upload your game code. Click Add File, then paste your code into a new file named index.html, the standard entry point for web projects. Once you're done, click Commit Changes to save your work. Each commit is a snapshot of your project, allowing you to track progress and revert if needed. This step brings your game one step closer to going live. A commit in GitHub is more than just saving a file. It's a record of changes that you can revisit anytime. This feature is especially useful if you make a mistake or want to experiment with new features. You can always jump back to a previous version, ensuring your project stays safe and organized. Embrace commits as your safety net during development. Now that your code is on GitHub, it's time to deploy it online using Vercel, a cloud platform that turns your GitHub projects into live websites. Vercel automates the deployment process, making it easy for anyone to publish their web applications. By connecting your GitHub account, you can deploy your game with just a few clicks. Let's see how it works. To get started with Vercel, create an account ideally using your GitHub credentials for seamless integration. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard where you can manage your projects. Click Add New to start a new deployment. Vercel's intuitive interface makes it easy to connect your GitHub repository and prepare your game for launch. With Vercel, you can link your GitHub account and select the repository containing your game code. This integration streamlines the deployment process, allowing Vercel to automatically pull your files and set up your website. For simple games, you don't need any advanced presets. Just connect and deploy. It's that easy to bring your project online. After linking your repository, hit the Deploy button. Vercel will automatically build and host your game, making it accessible to anyone with the link. In just a few moments, your project goes from a local file to a live website. Share the link with friends, family, or the world, and invite everyone to play your creation. Congratulations, you're now a published game developer. With your game live, it's time to play. Test all the features, levels, and power-ups to ensure everything works as expected. Invite friends to join and gather feedback. Playing your own creation is incredibly rewarding, and seeing others enjoy it is even better. Use this opportunity to spot any improvements or new ideas for future updates. While your first game might not be a blockbuster, it's a fantastic starting point. There's always room to enhance graphics, add new features, or optimize gameplay. Remember, even professional developers start small and iterate over time. Use feedback and your own observations to make your game better with each version. As you grow more comfortable with game development, consider organizing your code into multiple files for better scalability and maintainability. Professional games use structured code bases, but for small projects, a single file is fine. The key takeaway is to keep learning and improving your workflow as you gain experience. While AI makes game development accessible, there are some limitations. Avoid building applications that require user management or login systems using generative AI alone. These features involve security and complexity that go beyond basic game creation. Stick to simple games and web apps for now, and explore advanced topics as you gain more experience. Building your own game is not just about technology. It's about creativity, problem solving, and sharing joy with others. The process empowers you to turn ideas into reality, learn new skills, and connect with a community of creators. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your game come to life. Once your game is live, share it widely. Post the link on social media, send it to friends, or even showcase it in online communities. Feedback from players is invaluable for improving your game and learning what resonates with your audience. Embrace constructive criticism and use it to fuel your next project. Every game you build teaches you something new about design, technology, and yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and try new ideas. The journey is just as important as the final product. With each project, you'll gain confidence and expand your creative toolkit. Ready to take your skills further? Explore more advanced AI tools, learn basic coding, or collaborate with others on bigger projects. The world of game development is vast and full of opportunities. Whether you stick with simple browser games or dream of building the next big hit, the skills you gain here will serve you well. In just a few prompts and simple steps, you've learned how to build, deploy, and share your own browser game using AI. This process is a testament to how technology is empowering creativity for everyone. Remember, every great developer started somewhere, so keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. If you enjoyed this guide, consider connecting with other creators online. Platforms like LinkedIn and Medium are great places to share your work, find inspiration, and stay updated on the latest trends in AI and game development. Keep building, stay curious, and let your creativity shine. See you in the next adventure.